Welcome to Gaming Fin, your channel for everything related to the gaming industry and the stock market, and welcome to a CD Projekt Red trading update. So, little disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just a retail investor myself. I'm invested in CD Projekt, I'm just a YouTuber as well, and of course don't buy any stocks I'm talking here about, so probably you're going to lose all your money. So let's put this aside, guys. So what do we see here on this chart? We see another terrible day for CD Projekt. So it seems it goes everything due to my predictions, due to my plan. So, and because look guys, so today here we see CD Projekt is falling 4.37% more. You have to imagine this. CD Projekt is falling so much more in a day where, for example, a Meta platform is making 17.65%. Now we can also say, yeah, but Meta also was falling from $385 down to $185 or even $170, I think. On the bottom. So, but yeah, today Meta was really going wild and came back. So you see, if you deliver, then you can also then your share can also jump back your stock. So where are we at the moment? So you see, I have a Fibonacci retracement here. I have a trend line. The trend line broke already a couple of months ago, and since then it was just going down, so down with the lift, so as you say. And the problem is here, guys, that we are now in the red territory of the Fibonacci retracement. This wouldn't be a problem, but the question is now, where do we find ourselves? So yes, we're not dropping 10%, we're not dropping 15%, we're just dropping almost 4.5%. So we're dropping a little bit less, and this is actually, to be honest, I think that's a lot for today. For a day that is so positive in my overall portfolio, this is really bad. So, but probably only stocks like Netflix or Apple or Meta are up, but the Nasdaq, you see, is 3.48% up today, and the VIX is 6.9% down. Okay, CD Projekt, where I'm invested, is a stock that's traded in Warsaw, obviously not in the US. However, this shouldn't make any difference. This shouldn't make any difference because it's a classical pandemic growth stock. Gaming company stocks are growth stocks. So we can also look, for example, at an Activision. So where is the stock of Activision here? I have it. So also invested in Activision. So I'm going to make an extra video about Activision because there was a big news today. The shareholders were approving the deal with Microsoft. Now the question is if actually this deal go through, because since the announcement of the deal, $95, so we would be at even or almost at the top, $95. Since then it was actually not going $81, $82. So pretty sad actually for Activision, but I hope we will see some more, and the earnings of Activision were actually terrible. Therefore, obviously, the stock is not really jumping off. So if Activision wouldn't be acquired, then obviously the stock would have dropped much more. So for this, it's kind of okay. So it keeps up. So let's come back to CD Projekt. So why is it falling today again with an overall good market? Guys, I can't tell you, because if I look here, I don't see any news. I just remember that 2022 will be a bad year for CD Projekt. I was making an earnings video. Here we go. So I was making earnings video. I was talking in general about the expectations that I have in CD Projekt. You find all of those videos. So if you like those videos, like them, comment them, and subscribe to my channel, of course, and you will get some more videos. So yeah, the earnings were really bad, and I guess 2022 is going to be a lost year. And then maybe in 2023 we will see again a little upwards trend. The trend might start actually earlier than 2023 because everyone expects 23 to be a better year. So then obviously it has to start a little bit earlier. So not only in 23, this is normally the way how it works on Wall Street. So guys, look at this. Look at this where we are. We are at the top on the 6th November in 2017. We have been so much punished in CD Projekt. And now you ask yourself, is Mr. Orange buying more? So I'm invested with now 1% 0 something. So it's obviously shrinking, so I haven't bought more yet, because when I saw actually here the falling knife, I call it a falling knife, I knew that we fall at least fall to the bottom of this fall in October 2018. But now it is, in my personal opinion, guys, so I don't take any responsibility for this, but I think there's a big chance that we are dropping to 90 zloty, so, or that we 90 115 zlotys, and then this is really, really bad. So, but if I compare it then with the PE ratio, price for earnings ratio, so we are still, if those numbers are correct, at around about 60, so this is still extremely high. This is extremely high, and this has to drop at one point. I mean, we cannot have a PE ratio with 60 in a stock like this. So not in this market circumstances. So this has to drop. So probably we have to drop much more. So I'm not calculating this now, but how much we then have to drop, you can do this yourself if you're interested in those percentage calculations. But yeah, I mean, we are done here. This also, the chart looks so bad. It looks so broken. So how can you fix this chart again? So, I mean, CD Projekt really needs some a little miracle at the moment to get back on track. And yeah, so I expect it to drop more, and then at one point I think that I will buy some more. I won't buy so much more, because I think I'm around about here to 220. Yeah, probably now, so 220. So it's still a long way for me to break even. So but I won't buy so much, because I honestly can't tell you if the stock even goes lower. So I hope even that CD Projekt survives. But what is possible also in a stock with CD Projekt, and we are now having this merger and acquisition spree, or acquiring a lot of companies that acquire video games companies. So what happens if CD Projekt gets a buyout? So then the buyout will be, let's say, for 200 zlotys or something. I mean, someone is simply buying all the shares of CD Projekt. So if it's then under my average price, then I lost money and my trade on CD Projekt. So therefore, take good care now, and I would say, don't worry too much if you believe in CD Projekt in a 5-year long-term perspective. So then it's definitely, and if you're not invested now, so then I would even say that if I wouldn't be invested, let's put it like this, I would even say that it's maybe interesting for me to get in the stock. So I talk for myself, guys. So all right, so I would say, guys, so I'm leaving this little trading update on CD Projekt, and if I'm looking in the news, on the news page, nothing new, nothing was happening with CD Projekt. So it's just a 5% drop, and maybe we see it coming back, and I think we need some consolidation around about here. So if we get a consolidation here between 100 and 120 and 130, this would be great. Maybe we see something like consolidation from 2021 to 2022, beginning 22. This would be great. So at one point, this very negative trend has to stop and has to turn around. So this is at least what I'm hoping for. So thank you very much for watching. See you the next time. Bye bye.